Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think Jesus did keep the Sabbath or indeed broke it? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 6 from verse 1 to verse 11. One Sabbath, Jesus did a walk through one wheat field, and his special follower them start pick some of the wheat, rub off the trash in them hand, and yam the grain. Some Pharisees see them and ask, what me gonna do with the law say we no fit do pan the Sabbath? Jesus answer them say, "Una never read what David did do when him and him friend them did hungry. Or him go in a God house, take the holy bread and yam with the law say hungry the priest them forget. And I'll give him friend them some." Jesus said to them say, the man where God pick, him rule over the Sabbath. One next Sabbath, Jesus go in a Jew them church and did a teach the people them. One man who for right hand did cripple, did dead it. Now the Pharisee and the law teacher them did a look for one reason for say sitting bad about Jesus. So them watch him like ark to see if him a go make nobody better than the Sabbath. Jesus know where them a think. So him said to the man where did have the cripple hand, say, get up and turn up in front of them. So him get up and turn up in front of everybody. Then Jesus tell them, say, let me ask you one question. Which one the law say we can do on the Sabbath? For do good or for do bad? For save somebody life or for cause somebody for dead? Jesus look round upon all of them and then said to the man, stretch out your hand. The man stretch out him hand and it get better. But the Pharisee and the law teacher them did bex and start to talk amongst them one another about what them fit do with Jesus. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.